How to change the theme in Weebly. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can change the theme in Weebly. Changing your theme updates the look and feel of your site without affecting your content. And to do this, the first step is to log in into your Weebly account and then open up your site editor's page. And then once the page has been opened, this is how it looks like. Move to the left side of the screen where you see a sidebar displaying options like header, main banner, etc. Scroll up to the top part of the left side of the page where you can see site design. Then click on it. Once you click on site design, you can change the font. This is the first thing you can do. You can add a logo to improve the site. You can change the colors. You can change the font, like I said earlier. You can change the corners of the site. You can even add site elements like badges, buttons, spacing, high concept. Although to add the site elements, you have to ensure that you've upgraded to the paid version of Weebly. Alright, but the other ones are for free. So the first thing you can do is to change the site style. Okay, so these are the different styles that are available. So you can just change it to the one you prefer. And once you're done selecting, move to the top right side of the screen and click apply site changes. So picking a new site, we reset of design customization, click apply new style, and then the style has changed. Then you can add a new logo. All right, to also improve the style of the site. And you can change the picture, the color rather. You can change the color of the background to a better color that you might prefer. Then the title, change the title as well. Then the buttons, and once you're done, click on the done button at the top right side of the screen. Then scroll down again and change the corners of the site if you would want to do that. Then click done and done, and you're good to go. That way your site theme has been changed. So this is how you can change your site theme easily on Weebly. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.